Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we explore the fascinating world of blockchain technology. Today, we are diving deep into a fundamental concept that underpins the security and trustworthiness of blockchain systems: public key cryptography. Whether you are a seasoned blockchain enthusiast or just starting to explore this space, understanding public key cryptography is crucial. So, let's get started. What is public key cryptography? Public key cryptography, also known as asymmetric cryptography, forms the cornerstone of blockchain security. At its core, it's a method for secure communication between two parties over an insecure channel. Let's talk about its working. Number 1. Key pairs. In public key cryptography, each user has a pair of keys, a public key and a private key. These keys are mathematically related but serve vastly different purposes. Number 2. Public key. Your public key is like your digital address. It's freely shareable and known to the world. Anyone can use public key to encrypt messages or verify digital signatures. Number 3. Private key. Your private key, on the other hand, is a closely guarded secret. It's used to decrypt messages that were encrypted with your public key or to digitally signed documents. Think of it as your digital signature, providing you are the legitimate owner of the associated public key. Role of public key cryptography in blockchain. Now you might be wondering how public key cryptography ties into blockchain technology. Well, let's discuss. Number 1. Secure transactions. In blockchain, every user has a pair of keys, and transactions are signed with the sender's private key. This ensures that only the owner of the private key can authorize a transaction. Number 2. Immutable record. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it's there forever. The use of the public key cryptography ensures that no one can alter a transaction without the private key. Number 3. User anonymity. While transactions are visible on the blockchain, users are pseudonymous identified by their public keys. This offers a level of privacy. Public key cryptography and digital wallets. When you create a digital wallet for storing cryptocurrencies or interacting with blockchain networks, it's essentially a collection of public and private keys. Let's talk about its working. Number 1. Receiving funds. To receive cryptocurrency, you share your public key, that is, wallet address, with the sender. They use it to encrypt the transaction, ensuring only you can access the funds. Number 2. Sending funds. When you want to send cryptocurrency, your wallet uses your private key to sign the transaction, providing that you are the rightful owner. Security considerations. While public key cryptography is powerful, it's not without its risk. Let's discuss some security considerations. Number 1. Key management. Safeguard your private key at all costs. Losing it means losing access to your assets. Number 2. Phishing. Be wary of phishing scams where malicious attacks to trick you into revealing your private keys. Number 3. Quantum threats. Future quantum computers could potentially break current encryption algorithms. Precautions are being taken to prepare for this threat. Public key cryptography is the bedrock of security in blockchain technology, ensuring the integrity of transactions and user anonymity. As you continue your journey into the blockchain space, remember to keep your private key safe and stay vigilant against potential threats. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more blockchain related content. Also, feel free to leave your questions or topics you like to be covered, tell in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.